Can you score 20 out of 20 with this ancient Ethiopian history? Let's test your knowledge about the Axumite kingdom, Zagwe Dynasty, and that was the restoration of Solomonic Dynasty. Test yourself and evaluate yourself. Zari ancient history no discuss Munaro Ethiopian history special. Let's continue. Question number 1. The economic strength of the Aksumite state was mainly based on A. Agriculture only, B. Trade with foreign origins, C. Hunting and gathering, D. Tribute from colonies. The right answer is B. Trade with foreigns ማለት ነው። የዋናው የኢኮኖሚ ምንጭ አክሱማይት ምንድነው? ንግድ ነው ማለት ነው። especially in the port Adulis. Number 2. The strategic importance of Aksum was mainly due to its A. Isolation from the other regions, B. Location near trade routes, C. Dependence on agriculture, D. Large forests. The right answer is location near trade routes. The answer is B. Why? Because the land mass of the Horn of Africa is Aksumite Empire is strategically located ማለት ነው። strategically located የሆነች ስለሆነች ንግድነት ነበር ማለት ነው። so this was access to the Red Sea የሚለው በጣም ወሳኝ ነገር ነው ማለት ነው። location on the near trade routes, the roads that in the Red Sea ለማለት ነው። በቀይ ባህር ባለው የንግድ መስመር ላይ አክሰስ አላቸው ነው። question number 3. The use of coins in the Aksumite Empire indicates A. weak economy, B. a strong trade system, C. lack of resource, D. religious decline. Okay, the right answer is B. It indicates what? They have a strong trading system እንዳላቸው ነው የሚያሳየው because based on the standard of the period even the Aksumites were able to issue coins. Number 4. Okay, ጥያቄዎቹን ጎላ አድርገው እንዲታዩ ነው ያደረኩላችሁ ዛሬ ማለት ነው። ሞር እያስተሻልኩላችሁ ነው የሚሄደው። ሶ ሞባይላችሁን በጎን ስክሪን አድርጋችሁ ይዩት በሰፊው በኩል ማለት ነው። በደንብ አድርገው የሚታየው because it's PowerPoint and it was very well prepared. ምችት ብሏችሁ በደንብ ጥያቄውን አይታችሁ እንድመልሱ ነው። Okay, for the adoption of Christianity in Aksum contributed to A. isolation from other states, B. strong diplomatic relations, C. decline in trade, D. end of monarchy. Okay, the right answer is, it shows that B. the strong diplomatic relations ማለት ነው። አክሱማይት ከጥንት ጀምሮ ትልቅ የሆነ ዲፕሎማቲክ ግንኙነት ከውጭ ጋር እንዳላቸው ያሳያል። ክርስትና 4th century ወደ አክሱም ኢንትሮዲዩስ መሆኑ ማለት ነው። Question number 5. Aksumite inscriptions were mainly written in A. Latin, B. Greek and Ge'ez, C. Arabic only, D. Amharic. Okay, the correct answer is B. Ge'ez and Greeks. Question number 6. ምን ይላል? What does that say? One major factor for the decline of the Aksumite state was A. expansion of trade, B. environmental degradation, C. strong leadership, D. industrial growth. The answer is here B. B is the answer. Environmental degradation. This was the internal factor that led for the decline of the power of Aksum. However, the main problem is internal ሳይሆን external ነው ማለት ነው። That was the attack from the Arabs, devastation of Adulis, and loss of the Red Sea trade. Question number 7. The stele of Aksum mainly symbolize A. trade agreements, B. religious rituals, C. burial practice and power, and D. military victories. The answer is C. That's burial practice and power. Because burial ስንል የቀብር ስነ ስርዓት it might be the symbol for what? The burial of the kings ተብሎ ይገመታል። The next point was the power. በጣም ኃያልነታቸውን የአክሱም ነገስታት ወይ እንደማ አክሱም ኢምፓየርን ኢንዲኬት ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። So the glorious period, okay? It was an icon of civilization and the ruins of civilization. የስልጣኔ ማሳያ ነው based on the standard of the period ነው የሚባለው ማለት ነው። Number 8. Zagwe Dynasty is best known for. So ከዚህ ቀጥሎ ያሉት Zagwe Dynasty ናቸው። Continuing from this, the question is based on Zagwe Dynasty, okay? Let's do together. Question number 8. Zagwe Dynasty is best known for A. expanding sea trade, B. building Rock-Hewn churches, C. introducing coins, D. establishing colonies. Okay, the right answer is B. That's what? Building Rock-Hewn churches. Zagwe's were known by construction of Rock-Hewn churches. The capital of Zagwe Dynasty was A. Aksum, B. Lalibela, C. Gondar, D. Harar. The right answer is B. Lalibela. So before that, Adefa is their political center when they were established by, Merra Takra Haymanot. He was the first king, I think. Then after that, it was shifted here, okay? And Roha, later it was named as Lalibela. Question number 10. We have reached to the middle of the question, okay? መካከለኛው ደርሰናል ጥያቄው ላይ ማለት ነው። The Rock-Hewn churches were mainly constructed to A. promote trade, B. serve religious purpose, C. act as military base, D. store goods. The answer is B. serve religious purposes because they are used for Ethiopian Orthodox Church ናቸው ማለት ነው። almost 13 in that amount ከ10 በላይ ቸርቾች። Question number 11. By the way, how many did you get from these 10 questions? 10 ከ10 ያገኘ ካለ is very nice. 8 9 ከ8 በታች መሆን የለባቸው almost. Why was that? Because simple ነው የዛሬ ጥያቄ፣ ይሄ መመለስ አለበት። Let's continue together and you have to finish these 20 questions, okay? ቀጣዮቹ በተለይ በጣም አሪፍ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው, especially concerning the restoration of Solomonic Dynasty, okay? Let's look. Question 11. Zagwe rulers strengthened their legitimacy mainly through A. military expedition, B. religious devotion, C. foreign alliance, D. trade dominance. The answer is B. religious devotion. Especially they have a plan to build what? The second Jerusalem in Ethiopia, in Lalibela, okay? So most of the time, even they invested the state capital or the state treasury on what? Constructing of churches, okay? Question number 12. The architecture of Lalibela churches reflects ለማለት ነው. reflect, okay? reflect ብላችሁ አንቦትጂ እዚህ ጋር ስለተያዘች A. foreign European style only, B. local innovation and religious influence, C. modern engineering, D. Islamic culture. The answer is B. local innovation and religious influence. So it is innovated by local, the architecture and the designer, okay? And the local Ethiopians were built that, okay? So by using a hammer and chisel, chisel, መጥረቢያ መሮን በመጠቀም እንደማለት ነው. Okay, thank you. Question number 13. Let's come to that. It says that question number 30. The one limitation of Zagwe Dynasty was A. lack of religion, B. limited territorial expansion, C. strong navy, D. advanced industry. So the right answer is B. Zagwis were not known in expansion of their territory. አይደለም? Yes, it is. Limited territorial expansion ያላቸው. To some extent they tried. በሆነ ጊዜ ሞክሮ ነበር. They were have a motive to control the state of Damot, you know. Damot became stronger and challenged them. They were not able to make it a territorial state, okay? 14. The restoration of Solomonic Dynasty aimed to A. remove Christianity, B. re-establish traditional legitimacy, C. promote foreign rule, D. end monarchy. The answer is B. to re-establish traditional legitimacy. So Zagwis were considered as what? illegitimate. What does that mean by illegitimate? Illegitimate ማለት ህጋዊ ያልሆኑ legal ground የሌላቸው ማለት ነው. Why was that? Because they were not able to trace their lineage or genealogy with whom? with Aksumite kings አይደል? ከአክሱም ጋር ያላቸውን ዝርያ መግለጽ አልቻሉም. The next and the important point was that they are Cushitic speaker ናቸው. ይሄ ነው ጥያቄ የሚጠየቀው መያዝ አለባቸው. የሚለያቸው በዚህ ነው ማለት ነው. የአገው people ወይ Cushitic and Cushitic speaker ናቸው ማለት ነው. የአክሱማይት were Semitics. So reestablish that ማለት ነው. ወደ ነበረበት ስልጣን የመለስ ነገር አለ. Number 15. The Solomonic rulers claimed descent from A. Roman Emperor, B. King Solomon and King of Sheba, C. Egyptian pharaohs, D. Greek kings. Okay, the right answer is B. They claim their powers. King of Solomon, he was king of Judah or Israel. Okay, during the concept of Solomonic legitimacy was important because it A. weakened rulers, B. strengthened political authority, B. strengthened political authority, C. reduced religion, D. promoted democracy. The answer is B. The main agenda is to strengthen political authority. ያው ስልጣናቸውን በደንብ አድርጎ ሊጋላይዝ ለማድረግ ነው። እነሱ የስልጣኑ ባለቤት እንደሆኑ ሌጂቲሜሲ ለመስጠት ዋናው ሀሳባቸው ማለት ነው። ሶ ፖለቲካል ኦቶሪቲን ለመያዝ ነው ማለት ነው። የፖለቲካል ስልጣንን ለመያዝ ነው። ስፔሻሊ a person chosen known by the name ይኩኖ አምላክ were responsible for this. Question number 17. Number 17. The ክብረ ነገስት is important because ክብረ ነገስት is A. describes trade routes, B. explains royal legitimacy, C. records military battles only, D. lists agricultural methods. Okay, the answer is explains. B. B is the answer. Explains royal legitimacy, the legitimacy of the Solomon kings. Okay, as they have a close relation or a bloodline or genealogy with the ancient Aksumite kings. Who was the last Aksumite king ማን ነው? ድልና አውድ ማለት ነው አይደለ? ከሱ ጋር ያላቸውን ስር በማሳየት የሚገልጽ ዶክመንት ነው። ሜዲቫል ፔሪድ ላይ ጻፈ ነው። ቅድም እንዳልኳችሁ የማያዝ አለባችሁ concerning ፍትሐ ነገስት and ክብረ ነገስት። Question number 18. During the Solomonic period, the church played a role in A. weakening the state, B. supporting royal authority, C. ending traditions, D. promoting foreign rule. The correct answer is B. supporting what? royal authority. So during the period, state and the church had what? they work hand in hand. እጅና ጓንት ሆነው የሚሰሩት ማለት ነው church እና state, especially Ethiopian Orthodox Church ማለት ነው። Why was that? The government granted land for the church አይደለም፣ መሬት ይሰጣቸዋል ለቸርቾች ማለት ነው። የጥቅም ጉዳይ ስለሆነ ማለት ነው። and the church supported the legitimacy of the kings. የንጉሶችን ህጋዊ ስልጣን አስተምሩላቸዋል፣ ህዝቡን ይዙላቸዋል በዛ ሳይድ ማለት ነው። I think it was clear, okay, concerning this issue ማለት ነው። church and state የሚለው ፕሮፌሰር ታደሰ ታምራት የጻፈው መጽሐፍ ብታገኙ ታነቡ፣ ስፔሻሊ ሜዲቫል ሂስትሪ በደምብ ታውቃላችሁ ለኢትዮጵያ። Question number 19. One major challenge during the early Solomonic rule was A. industrial competition, B. internal conflicts, C. lack of religion, D. isolation from Africa. The answer is B. internal conflicts, especially conflicts within whom? within the dynasty. ከ1294 እስከ 99 በተለይ በጣም አስቸጋሪ ፔሪድ ነበር ማለት ነው። there was a conflict between የሮያል ፋሚሊ ማለት ነው፣ በነገስታት ቤተሰቦች መካከል ግጭት መፈጠር ታውቃላችሁ ማለት ነው። ዜና after that, what was the solution here? A royal prison was established where? in አምባግሸን ወሎ ማለት ነው። so they were prison, they detained ማለት ነው አይደል፣ እዛ ይቆያሉ ማለት ነው። so this was the solution. by the way, this royal prison was served እስከ መቼ ነው የቆየው? ከ1300 እስከ 1540 ድረስ የቆየ ነው። I think you have reached to the last question. What says that? Question number 20. The reformation of Solomonic dynasty lead to A. decline of Christianity, B. continuity of Ethiopian tradition, C. end of monarchy, D. loss of identity. Okay, the right answer is B. B is the answer. Continuity of what? Ethiopian traditions. The traditions that was break down during the period of the Aksumite ማለት ነው። However, this was a change of the Semitic and the Cushitic people ነው እንጂ state structure whatever, so the other things was the religion አብዛኛው ተመሳሳይ ፊቸር አለው የሚለውን ትይዛላችሁ ማለት ነው። የሚለዩት በምንድነው? የቋንቋ ተናጋሪነት ካልሆነ በስተቀር ማለት ነው። So we have you have finished these questions, okay? How many did you got from these 20 questions? 20 out of 20, 19, 18? I think ከዛ በላይ ይሄን ካገኛችሁ it was very smart። ባታገኙም ራሱ እንደገና መስራት ያስፈልጋል ማለት ነው። ዛሬ ሰራ ነገ ላይ ጥያቄ ላይ ሰራ ይችላል ማለት ነው። ዛሬ ያሰራ ደግሞ ነገ የተሻለ ያገኛል። So this is not a criteria or a measure. However, it helps to be what? effective for national exams and for entrance exam for universities. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this lesson or video, like it, okay? Like the video and subscribe the channel. And finally, share for the international students of the world, okay? who love history and Ethiopian history. Thank you for those for watching these videos ማለት ነው። ይህም ብቻ ሳይሆን ሼር እያደረጋችሁ ነው። እጅግ በሚገርም ሁኔታ ከጠበቁ በላይ ብዙ ሼር እያደረጋችሁ ነው ማለት ነው። Thank you for that. ቻናሉን ሼር የምታደርጉ so have a nice time till the next video. Ethiopian history ነው ፎከስ የምናደርገው. We will focus on Ethiopian history. Okay? Be ready for that. Have a nice time. Bye bye.